first, I'm going to fold it like this, and I'm going to roll it up. Take my rubber bands. Lorek wants to be famous too. Put them tightly. Yeah, Bubba, we hear you. Lorek!
Hey, just ignore him and do what you're doing. You're fine. I would say your rubber bands probably need to be just a hair tighter and maybe a few more on there.
It's hard to do with gloves.
Yeah. You probably didn't need the gloves on yet.
Yeah.
That's okay. We live and learn, right?
Yep.
Dog.
And I think that's good, right?
If it was mine, personally, I would put another couple rubber bands in there.
Yeah, because then you want some more colors.
Yeah, because then you can do more colors, so you're right. And make sure they're good and tight.
Yep.
I think that's going to look really cool when you're done.
Yeah.
What did you have to do to your table to prepare?
I had to get a trash bag and place it on the top so then it wouldn't get messy everywhere and like dye anything on the table. And then I got rocks because if it got windy then it would keep in its place. This bag is to put my shirt in at the end once it's done. And then I just put all the colors right here.
And then what kind of clothes do you have on to do this?
Some old clothes.
Because why?
Because if I get some dye on them, then it won't really matter because they're old.
Okay.
Not brand new school clothes.
Yep, so you're all prepared.
Yep. I think that's good, right?
Yep, that looks good to me. Is it good to you?
Yeah.
Okay.
And choose my colors. And the ones that aren't set yet, a lot of these are though. Like this one's not done. But these ones are.
Okay.
I have to shake them probably.
Shake them really good. Really, really good. And try one of those on the end and see if it does any color. And if it doesn't, then we'll have to do some new ones. Lorek!
He just wants to be in the video.
Oh my gosh, I'm kind of sorry he found that ball.
Okay, is that supposed to do that? Or does that?
Let me see. Does it look like it's color in it?
Yeah.
Okay, then it's probably okay.
Like it makes like a little bubble thing at the
Okay.
top. But at first and then it just goes down.
You're going to have to saturate it, so.
Sure goes in fast. I hope this turns out really cool.
Well, we'll have to see how well it does because my thinking is because it's rolled up instead of scrunched up, I don't know if the inside parts will get it as much. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. But I think it will look a lot cooler because like more tie-dye instead of just full color.
You know what I'm going to suggest you do before you go any further?
Yeah.
You might want to go get a bottle of water or something and just wet your material so the dye soaks in a little bit more. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay.
Put some purple on it. Let me shake it up again. Yeah, I think this one's gonna turn out really cool.
You know what makes it extra special?
That I'm making it.
That's my girl.
Yeah, there's probably no other shirts that are gonna look exactly like this one.
Unique, just like you, right?
Yeah. Yeah, you're right about the water thing. It does put a lot more stuff in it and easier to go through.
Good.
See how cool
No, it is looking really cool.
What color should I use? Probably yellow. Ready, yellow. Blue. Green. Yeah, Bobo. And you don't want to squeeze too hard because you don't want to get too much on there. I think since I folded it like upwards, you know, like from the top down, I think it's gonna like do big lines but still make it look cool and tie-dye.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's a pretty color. I'll show you one minute. I think that's some leftover yellow. Hey Mom, if the color isn't ready yet, do you just want me to add some of this water to it?
If it's one you think you need, yes. If you think you need to do a new one.
I might just do the same colors over again because there's an even amount that I can do it all on.
You do whatever you like.
Maybe one yellow. Yeah, I think this one's gonna turn out really cool. And I think we did this one first. Face it away from you because in case it splashes, you don't want it to get on your face.
Yep. You'll be tie-dyed for a week.
Or longer. And it's okay if you get a little bit of other colors with the color you just put on because it makes it look a little more cool. See how it looks so far?
That's really cool. I like it. Okay, when you get your last color on, you need to wrap it up in that plastic bag very tight so it can stay wet. You need to put it over in the shade, and it has to sit for a few hours.
Does that mean you want me to tighten the clothes more? Or tighten the bag?
The bag.
I could be a professional. Yeah, I'd say adding water definitely makes it look better.
Get it very saturated so it's going all the way into the core
Yep, because you don't want big blotches.
of
I
white.
had some ink on my hand. Oh well. And always remember to put the lids back on because you don't want it to spill everywhere. Looks like the rocks are getting some tie-dye on them too. I think that's good.
Let me
See how it
see.
looks so far?
Looks very nice. Now that it has soaked in on the other side, on all the sides, why don't you add just a few more drops of color of each one to each side, just to make sure it's soaking all the way into the middle.
And you might want to push a little harder when you like try to put it in the middle, so then it doesn't just go on the top. Right, Bobo? Hey, it's not food. it's okay if spots are darker than others because that's the point of tie-dye. Not everything's supposed to look the same.
That's right. It's supposed to be random and beautiful, right?
Yeah. I'm glad it didn't rain today like the other days.
Okay, once you get your last color done, then go ahead and put it in your bag.
Okay. I think that size actually looks.
And then roll your bag up tight.
Like this?
Just, I would roll it like you did your shirt.
Okay.
There you go. And then just take it over and put it in the shade and let it sit for a few hours. And then when you come back, we'll open it up and reveal.
Okay. My fingers are going to get dyed after this.
Yeah, probably a tip would be to keep wearing your gloves when you're doing this part even, right? Huh?
Yeah.
Oh well. Again, we live and learn.
My yellow didn't stay much. It mostly turned into a green.
That's alright. You like green too.
Yeah, because light green's my favorite color.
So tell them how long that's been sitting. About 3.5, 4 hours.
Yeah. Well, that's a sleeve. It looks pretty.
Ooh, I kind of like the white in it.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's pretty awesome, Cedez. What do you think?
Yeah, I like it too. It looks really cool.
Okay.
I'm okay with the white right here because it looks.
I think it looks really cool. Okay, you need to let it dry and then we'll go throw it in the wash. It has to be washed by itself.
Can I go show Dad too?
Yes.